UCertify offers CompTIA Security Plus certification prep for IT professionals. So start your prep for the CompTIA Security Plus certification exam today with UCertify. To be a CompTIA Security Plus certified professional, you will have to pass the SY 0-601 exam. It validates candidates' baseline skills necessary to perform core security functions and pursue an IT security career. In this UCertify course, you will receive pre-assessment questions that will help you identify areas for improvement before you begin the course. It consists of interactive lessons and learning resources with flashcards, quizzes, and glossary terms. The UCertify course has practice tests that closely follow the exam objectives and are designed to simulate real exam conditions. It has video tutorials to make your learning more interactive. UCertify comes complete with hands-on labs to give students a real exam experience in an online environment. The lab consists of 3D Sim and Smart Chat, Coding Lab, Live Lab, Object Lab, and Software Sim that simulate real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments that allow students to perform activities in real or simulated environments. In this course, you will receive post-assessment questions that will gauge your understanding and readiness in the course. The course has Prep Engine, which provides different sets of questions to prepare for the exam in the test environment. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive a certificate of course completion from UCertify. Upon course completion, you will understand the following concepts: attacks, threats, and vulnerabilities, architecture and design, implementation, operations and incident response, and governance, risk, and compliance. Our course is also available on the UCertify mobile app. You can start the course with a web app and end with a mobile app, or vice versa. Students and educators can move from device to browser and get back seamlessly without losing any performance or activity data. You can download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. This will allow you to access the course anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To explore more about UCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com. You can call us at 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by email at sales@ucertify.com.